Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will be diving into the concept of compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful financial concept that can help your money grow faster than simple interest. It's the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. So you might be wondering, how we will calculate this? For that, let's start with the basic formula for compound interest. The formula is A is equal to P multiply bracket 1 plus R by N bracket close raised to NT, where A is the amount of money accumulated after N years, including interest. P is the principal amount, means the initial amount of money which you have invested. R is the annual interest rate in decimal form. N is the number of times that interest is compounded per year. And T is the time the money is invested or borrowed for. It will be measured in years. So let's take an example. So suppose you invest 1,000 rupees at an annual interest rate of 5% compounded annually for 3 years. So using this formula, A is equal to, here our principal means initial amount is 1,000 rupees which we have invested. Then according to formula, we will start the bracket. You can see 1 plus there is R. R means annual interest rate. So it was 5%. So we can write it 0.05 and divide by number of times that interest is compounded per year. So for us, it's 1 because it already compounded for one time only. Then bracket close and N multiply T is the again same. N means number of time that interest is compounded. So it is one time multiply T means like the money is invested for how many years. So it's like 3 years. So that's why we will keep 3 and then you calculate, then you will get A is equal to 1157.63. So after 3 years you will have 1157.63 rupees. So now we will understand the impact of compounding frequency. So for that, the frequency of compounding can make a significant difference. Let's see how compounding semi-annually affects our example. Using the same principal amount and interest rate but compounding semi-annually, then in that case, what will be the difference? In previous example, we took over there, the compounding was happening one time in a year, but now it's semi-annually, means 2 times in a year. So the impact, as you can see, the amount is increased. The final answer is 1159.27. So it's a bit more money than previous example. To wrap up, compounding interest can significantly boost your financial growth. Remember to consider the compounding frequency when choosing your investments. Thanks for watching guys. Let me know in comment if you have any questions or queries.